Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will learn about boards in Jira. So before we get into details of boards and what you can do in boards, let's understand what a Jira board stands for. So a Jira board displays issues from one or more projects, giving you a flexible way of viewing, managing, and reporting on work in progress. So there are three types of boards available in Jira. First one is Agility Board, which is still in beta phase. It's not released yet, and it's only available in Jira Cloud version. An Agility Board is for the teams who don't want to do complex board setup and just want to manage tasks with flexible and simple board. Next board is the Scrum board, and Scrum board is for the teams who want to plan their work within time-bound iterations known as sprints, which is 2 to 4 week cycle. And this mostly suits for the development team who want to deliver working software within those sprints. Third board is the Kanban board, and Kanban board is suitable for teams who focus on managing continuous delivery of work. So they have a backlog, they pull that backlog, they pull that work into in progress and then done. So any team which is managing continuous flow of work, the best suitable board is Kanban board. Now let's see how you can access the boards in Jira. So to access the board, go to the header at the top and click on the boards drop down, and you'll see the recent boards that you have visited, or you can go to all boards, view all boards, and it will list all the boards available, and you can select the particular board that you want to view. So for example, I want to see a Scrum board for MOP project. I'll click on that and it will list me the board for the MOP project, and will list the columns that are available in the board and the issues available in that particular board. If I want to switch the board, I'll go to all boards again and select another board. So for example, I want to see Kanban board for SKP project. I'll select that, and you'll see the backlog, then particular issue that has been selected for development. There are certain issues in progress and some are in done. So that is pretty much all about the very basic introduction to boards. In next tutorial, we will learn what actions or operations are possible on boards. Thank you.